Interior compartment of arm and forearm. This is scapular region. सबसे पहले this is deltoid. This one is pectoralis major. When we reflect it, this is pectoralis minor muscle. The pectoralis minor muscle plus the coracobrachialis, this one, and the short head of biceps. All three are inserted into the coracoid process of scapula. फिर ये जो है हमारे पास ये है long head of biceps. The two heads they combine into the belly of the biceps, जो नीचे जाके बनती है bicipital aponeurosis. If we reflect it, the muscle that we see is brachialis. ठीक हो गया? Now this one is the median nerve. If we trace it upwards, इसके दो roots हैं. This is the lateral root and this is the median root. The lateral root gives off another branch which is called the musculocutaneous nerve. This one, the musculocutaneous nerve, pierces the coracobrachialis muscle and goes down, runs between biceps and brachialis here, and then if we trace it downwards, it is continued down as the lateral cutaneous nerve of forearm. Acha. The medial root of median nerve gives another nerve which is called the ulnar nerve. This one is the ulnar nerve which goes down deep here behind the medial epicondyle of the humerus. ठीक हो गया? We are left with posterior cord. We will trace the radial nerve. How do we know that this is the radial nerve? It is going deep inside the posterior compartment of arm and it is accompanied by profunda brachii muscles. The radial nerve, if we trace it upwards, it is originating from the posterior cord of brachial plexus, which is also giving the axillary nerve. This is axillary nerve which is going laterally and winding around the surgical neck of the humerus here. This muscle here is latissimus dorsi. This is subscapularis. This is cephalic vein. The lateral superficial vein is cephalic vein and the medial superficial vein is the basilic vein. Okay? This is brachial artery. This is brachial artery. Okay? If you trace it upwards, it is axillary artery in this area and it is continued down into this. Okay? It is continuation of this brachial artery here. Now coming down, this muscle is pronator teres. Pronator teres is forming the medial boundary and the brachioradialis is forming the lateral boundary of cubital fossa. And the superior boundary is formed by a line joining the two epicondyles of the humerus. The contents of cubital fossa are MBBR starting from the medial to the lateral side. Median nerve, medial most, then the brachial artery, then biceps.